Hello guys and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today we are going to see how to create a simple TypeScript React application. So what we have to do is we have to go to the folder where we want to create this. Just type cmd and it will open a command prompt window for you. Now here just check where Node is installed in your system. If it is not installed, I have given the link in the description to download it. Please download and add it to the path, and then we can see that what is the version of Node is installed. So for that, type node-v. To check npm version, type npm-v, and you can see that versions are already printed. We have to update npm to our latest version. For that, what we have to do here is we have to type npm install -g space npm @latest. So it will install whatever the latest version will be present to your system. So now if you see, the latest version that is installed is 6.14.7. Previously we have 6.9.0. Now if we do npm-v, we can see the latest version of npm that is installed in our system. Now to create a React application, what we have to do is we have to install create React app. That is a simple application creator provided by npm. Now to create a simple React app, we have to check npx is present in the node path or not. And now what we are going to do is we are going to type npx create React app space what will be your application name. For here I am using Tech Toffee React. That will be our folder name inside our D drive Tech Toffee folder, and we can specify the template here. So if we don't give a template, it will take JavaScript template, but here we are specifying it as TypeScript. So -- template TypeScript and press enter. So it will start installing. So now if you go to the folder, you can see that one Tech Toffee React folder will get created automatically. So here now you can see that the folder is created, and now if you go inside the folder, it will have package.json, which will have the versions of the dependencies. So now what it will do is it will automatically download those dependencies and put it in a node modules folder. So once the installation is completed, it will say that success created Tech Toffee React at the location. Now what we have to do is now just right click on the Tech Toffee folder and open with VS Code. So in VS Code, we can see the folder structure here. So node modules folder will contain all the dependencies that are installed for this React application. So public folder will contain the images and the favicon. The source will have the main logic. So here we have various files like app.css, app.tsx. So tsx is TypeScript XML, so it supports both TypeScript and XML, so that's why the name is tsx. Now to run it, what we have to do is we have to change the directory and we have to go inside the Tech Toffee folder. So it is the folder where our package.json file is. So wherever our package.json file is, we have to go inside that folder. Now to start our node server, what we have to do is we have to type npm run start. And it will start the node server on your machine. So as you can see, it is saying that the server started at port 3030 of localhost. So what we can do is we can go to that location localhost/3030 and we can see that React application is started. We can edit it and check it. So for that, what we are going to do is, so our main file is index.tsx, but we know index.tsx is actually calling app.tsx. So we will go inside app.tsx and we will change this learn React to hello Tech Toffee. and now we save it. No need to restart the server. We can automatically see here that the message is changed from learn React to hello tech toffee.